today, as part of the Cooking with Kids series or the Kids Cook Along recipes, we're going to do with my little friends here, Michaela and Alexander, a baked chicken kapama with rice. It's basically done in under an hour, very delicious, very nutritious, and super kid friendly. So to start us off here, what we're going to do is brown our chicken in a frying pan. I'm going to use about a quarter cup or so of my Greek extra virgin olive oil. So now that we got our olive oil in the pan heating up, let's meet Michaela and Alexander.
Something about myself, I like gaming.
Excellent.
Something about myself, I like to play around.
Excellent. You know what? This series is all about cooking with your kids and little ones, and these are very, very friendly recipes for doing that. So I'm going to take my chicken, place it in my pan. So now that our chicken's in our pan, it's starting to brown, I can get Michaela to add some salt to the chicken.
So if you're an Italian thing?
Yep. Do a Greek pinch.
A Greek pinch. I'm pretty sure that's bigger, but it's...
Perfect. You need more than that. We're Greek. Awesome. What I'll do next is the pepper. A little fresh cracked black pepper will go over our chicken. So our chicken is done and browned. I'm just going to place it in the pan. Nothing to this. Now, the next part of this recipe is actually flavoring things up. So for this, I'm going to take one red onion, nice and easy, and I'm just going to chop it. Now, depending on the skill level of your kids or the little ones involved, they can help you actually cut or chop up stuff, or just do it yourself and have them just put it in the pan, so that way you do something all together. What are your favorite foods? What do you guys like to eat?
Baklava.
Pizza. Pesto pasta.
Very nice.
Italian, not...
Very nice. What else?
Anything sweet.
Yes, that's always a good thing.
Anything that's Greek.
That's the best answer. You want to try that, Alexander, carefully?
Just holding my hand.
Yeah, just grab it with your hand and put it in there. Very nice. Keep going. Keep going. There you go.
You don't like onions?
You're not an onion fan?
Oh, I love onions.
I love them.
I love them just as much as garlic.
Yeah, we won't let, we got to keep our eye on Michaela because she'll eat like raw cloves.
Yes.
And then I'll be looking for
no.
ingredients. Keep going, you're almost there. You getting tired? All right, you relieve them.
I'll help with that.
All right.
Okay, so
You
just
finish
put
this?
stuff in?
Yep. Yeah, just throw it in there. Throw it in there. It's already chopped, ready to go.
But it looks so tasty.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Now,
One more?
yep. Now we're going to do the garlic. I'll let you do this. What do you think?
Okay, I will need some help at the end. I've never actually been able to fully crush it.
All right. Do your best.
Try one
Okay.
after.
Yep. Over here. Here, right over that. There you go. Very nice.
We need something.
All right. Oh, you did it. Okay, that's cool.
I
Alex,
finally did it.
you want to come try it?
Yes.
I'll cut this one in half for you, so it'll be a little easier.
I'll be able to eat the other half.
But right here, without touching the pan,
Yep, I'll do it.
squeeze really, really hard. Really, 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 really hard. Come on, come on, come on. Squeeze. All right. That's how you do it.
Oh, I
Perfect. And you want to do one more, Michaela?
Yeah.
No,
All
I'm
right.
gonna do the last one.
Okay.
You want to do the last one?
You want to do?
How about half and half? All right, try
How about
it.
we do it together, man?
All right, all three of us. Come on, all three of us. We'll do the garlic.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that's
I
awesome.
got a piece right there.
Perfect, perfect. Then we just take our knife,
And shave it off.
shave the top off, and that's perfect right there.
Good
Now,
tasting.
there we go. Give this a little stir up here.
Now there's extra garlic for me.
Yes, and she will eat it for sure.
Yes.
So now, so now, we just continue cooking this down. What we need to do now, again, is season. So, who wants to add some salt in here?
I'll add this. Okay, we need a Greek pinch.
A Greek pinch?
A couple
Absolutely.
great pinches.
Perfect. Just like that.
One more?
Yeah, maybe one more. Yeah, we like our salt.
Great pinches are the tastiest.
But
Perfect.
not too much salt.
No. I'll do the pepper, and then Alex will do the cinnamon and the cloves, because no Greek sauce is complete without that.
Oh, the onion has taken effect.
Oh boy.
I'm not crying yet.
All right,
Because you have glasses on.
Alex, 2 cloves. I want you to pick out 2 cloves from here,
Oh.
and you're going to put them in the pan.
Just 2 of these.
Yeah, tip it over if you need to do it.
Cloves smell great, but I don't really think that they would really taste great if you ate them raw. 2.
All right, throw them in here.
Those are so small.
Throw them in there. And what I'm going to do is I'll get Michaela.
Those are so small.
Yep, but they pack a huge flavor punch, and that's the whole thing. I'm going to get you now to do half a teaspoon of the cinnamon and add it in here.
So I do half of this.
That'll work. Yep, perfect. Just
Oh, it's
sprinkle it in there. It's okay.
Yep.
That's
Okay.
perfect. Right there. Alex, you're going to take 2 of these teaspoons and you're going to put the tomato paste. So come here.
A whole spoon of this?
2 of those. 2 of those. Let's do this.
Yum.
Yep, throw it in there. Perfect. One more.
One more.
Nice.
Gotta get a good chunk.
Yep. Perfect. Awesome. There. It's all about cooperation and doing the
And
ingredients.
quality.
Exactly. Quality. So give this a stir. What we've done now, in essence, as well, just so you know, we've also, by adding our spices in here at this point without too much liquid, they're releasing their oils. And when the spices release their oils, you get a more robust flavor in whatever it is you're cooking. So the next thing to go in is some crushed tomatoes. And for this, we're going to do about 1 cup to 1.5 cups. You pour and I'll tell you.
Okay.
Pour, 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 pour. Perfect. So now we've got 1.5 cups of our passata in here, and it's looking absolutely fantastic. We're just going to heat this through for just a few minutes, just for all the flavors to combine in this. All right, so now our sauce is heated right through. Time to add the liquid for our rice. Michaela, if you do the honors, grab us 4 cups of water. I'm using 4 cups of water for this because I'm going to be using 2 cups of rice. There you go. Pour that in there as well.
That looks tasty.
So very liquidy.
Oh yes, it's very, very liquidy now, but I promise you that by the time this comes out of the oven, because we're going to bake it,
Not liquidy?
no. And by the way, at this point, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or about 200 degrees Celsius, and that way it's out of the way and it'll be ready for us to pop in our pan. So now, let me just make a little room here. I'm going to take our chicken breasts here, and what we're going to do is distribute the rice. Alex, do you want to distribute the rice all around
Saying what?
the pan, right here?
Just
Yep, just pour it, sprinkle it over evenly, all around.
Oh, the onions are still in my heart. The onions.
I'm gonna try.
Yeah, all over. All over. Perfect. All the empty spaces, just like that.
Got much as
Then you take this, put
I can
this.
pour it from.
No, that's okay. Now
But
we're
it
gonna.
still looks tasty.
Yes. The next step now is to add our sauce, our liquid, into this. So very carefully here, very, very carefully, and you can use both hands. you just take this and pour it over. Perfect.
That looks delicious.
Yes, it is absolutely fantastic and ready to go. And all I'm going to do is distribute this so the rice and everything cooks evenly. See where I'm going with this?
Yeah.
Now, this now will bake in your oven, 400-degree oven, for about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on your oven, if you're using convection and whatnot. And once you're done, the rice should absorb your the liquid, and your chicken will finish cooking through and absorbing all those awesome flavors. And I promise you, my friends, you're going to have a meal that'll be fit for a king. All right, so it's been about 45 minutes or so of cooking time, and our chicken and baked rice is absolutely done to perfection. What do you guys think?
It looks amazing.
Yummy.
Oh, it is fantastic.
And it looks
The aromas and the smells in here are absolutely amazing. Hey, take a whiff of that. Exactly. So now the next thing to kind of add to the drama of this, or add to the flavor profile, is to crumble a little feta cheese over this now. So without any further ado, I will have my cute little assistants grab a piece of feta each and start crumbling over this.
Just take it?
Yep.
Yeah.
The whole thing?
Yep, and just start crumbling in little pieces all over. There you go, just like that.
I need one for myself.
Yeah. Let's go.
It's falling.
Spread it evenly all over. Exactly. Isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah.
Isn't this like...
Well, it feels weird.
All kids have a natural affinity towards learning new stuff, and especially the younger ones, they pick up on stuff really, really quickly.
Like
Look how
me.
gorgeous this is.
Like me.
Absolutely. Lovely. Lovely. Perfect. That's it.
I gotta
Yeah.
wash my hands.
All right, you can both wash your hands over there. And what we're going to do, the next thing, is to actually try out what we've made. So I'm just going to move the feta here, and I'm just going to reach in here and grab a little corner here that we can try of the rice. The rice has completely absorbed the flavors and
the sauce.
and the liquid, yes, the sauce. And we're going to try this right now. And we're going to take a little piece of chicken. Yep. Look at this. The chicken is absolutely just falling apart.
Because it's so tasty.
Exactly. Exactly.
It smells so good.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's still a little hot, guys, but
Yeah, so
we're...
watch out.
Exactly. Exactly. So the chicken is there. Let me grab some forks for us here. This is like the best part of this. All right, so let's get to this. Let's start trying
Oh, I
this
got some
out.
chicken.
Oh, awesome.
Getting some chicken.
Try it
I
out.
have to get the chicken. Can I take this here, please? I'll take the chicken first.
Oh. Try it. This is so good.
I'm just gonna eat.
You, Alex will just eat and not throw the fork, but that's okay. He's a professional eater. So my friends, that's it for this episode on my baked chicken and rice kapama. Very, very easy. Done in about an hour, give or take. Rich, deep flavors using a small amount of ingredients. So we want minimum effort, maximum flavor. So until next time, I thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And for this recipe and many others, check me out online as well at kensgreektable.com. And until next time, I will see you on the next one. Much love. Bye for now.
Bye.